So this is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm not sure if it's going to go on my Instagram or on my YouTube, but I am going to include the little talk through it. So if it is on my Instagram, it's different from what I normally do. I wanted to do a photo shoot kind of using like bright graphic eyeliner and like a bright eyeshadow look, something that I don't normally do. This quarantine is forcing me to be creative, and I wanted to just like tie in the bright colors with like the kind of throwback look, which is why I have on these earrings. This kind of, I don't know if you can see the camera fully, this mohawk kind of bun look, and I'm gonna take photos in my hallway. So yeah, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyelid primer. I'm going to be using this Violet Voss Vibes palette with Neon Pressed Pigments, and I'm going in with the light blue shade Acid Wash. And I didn't start with a transition color just because I want this to be the main focal color. Going back in with that color with another blending brush. When I do my windshield wiper motions, I like to flick it out at the end so that it causes that cat eye kind of effect. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and it's in the shade Vivid Sapphire. It's a nice blue color, and I really just want to outline the shape that I just made. So we're gonna see how this goes. This is my first time doing this. Using the Huda Beauty concealer corrector. It has a little bit of an orange undertone, so I use it to correct. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender, some setting spray, just to make sure that it's smooth. So I'm going in with my ColourPop liquid no filter concealer. I'm going to take my new favorite Marc Jacobs concealer. One thing, I don't know if I said in my video, so if you see right here, my cheekbones are more pronounced because I know my cheekbone is right here. So I like to bring my concealer, concentrate in this area, and then define it with the contour. I go around my cheekbone, which gives me that really lifted look, if you see the difference between this side and this side. I'm using the Coty Airspun setting powder that everybody knows well. So I got the Marc Jacobs Tantalizer Omega Bronze Coconut Perfecting Pan. You know how like in Little Einsteins they pat. They was teaching y'all how to contour. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of brush, my CYO brush, and just Sane. It's a nice pinky tone. I love it when the blush blends in with the bronzer because it is more natural that way. So I'm going to be using my Morphe setting spray, the Jeffree Star one. Shayla collab that she did with the ColourPop. I have that highlighter. So I'm going in with my NYX Lingerie Push-Up. And I'm using Dulce K Matte Liquid Lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm taking my MAC Viva Glam Nikki 2 lipstick and So I added lashes. This look ended up coming out way better than I thought it was going to. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but when I take my photos, y'all are gonna see. So I don't want my battery to die, so I'm ending it here. But yes, see you in a couple. My eyebrows are kind of harsh. Anyway, see you in a couple. Gas better, gas better, gas better, gas better, gas better.